Let's get you started with the option of groups in the navigation bar. At first, you need to click at this button. Then you will see that there are these two options, create group and manage groups. At first, you need to create a group. Let's create a group. When you hit that button, you will see that there are these two options, group name and group description. For example, I want to name a group like clone group. Then if you want to add some description, you can add that. Lastly, you need to add the desired social media platform. Once you give the name of the group and select the social media platform, then hit the Save button. Your group is automatically created. Here you can see that clone group is created. You can edit this information anytime here. I will show you the purpose of the group. When you create a post, then you will see that here's an option of groups. When you create a post for all of your social media platforms, then you need to select this button and all of that social media platforms in that group will be selected at one click. Your social media post will be posted directly at all of these platforms. If you don't want any of these groups, you can delete that group anytime. By leveraging groups in Smart Social, you've taken a significant step towards optimizing your social media strategy. Enjoy the convenience of managing multiple accounts seamlessly, saving time, and gaining better insights into your social media.